the forgotten secret of oral hygiene, why your tongue needs special attention. We all know the importance of brushing our teeth twice a day for strong teeth and fresh breath. However, have you ever wondered if, besides your teeth, there's another part of your mouth that plays a crucial role in maintaining overall oral health? That's your tongue. Surprisingly, this part is often overlooked in our daily hygiene routine, even though it's a breeding ground for countless harmful bacteria. According to dental experts, the tongue is a porous surface with numerous taste buds, creating an ideal environment for bacteria, dead cells, and food debris to accumulate. It's estimated that there are over 700 different types of bacteria living on the surface of our tongues. While some bacteria are beneficial for digestion, the majority are the main cause of unpleasant oral problems. One of the most noticeable consequences of not cleaning your tongue is bad breath, also known as halitosis. The bacteria on the tongue decompose food particles, producing volatile sulfur compounds that cause an unpleasant odor. No matter how thoroughly you brush your teeth, if you skip cleaning your tongue, your breath still risks losing points in social interactions. In addition, the accumulation of bacteria on the tongue increases the risk of developing tooth and gum diseases. These bacteria can travel down to the teeth and gums, forming plaque and tartar, leading to tooth decay, gingivitis, and even more serious infections in the oral cavity. In some cases, bacteria from the tongue can even enter the bloodstream, affecting cardiovascular health and other organs in the body. So, what's the solution to this problem? It's very simple. You just need to add a small step to your daily oral hygiene routine: cleaning your tongue. There are two main tools you can use: a tongue scraper and a toothbrush. A tongue scraper is specifically designed to effectively remove plaque and bacteria from the surface of the tongue. Choose a scraper made of safe and easy-to-clean material. The usage is very simple. After brushing your teeth, stick out your tongue and gently scrape from the back of your tongue to the front. Repeat this movement about 3 to 4 times. Then rinse your mouth with clean water. If you don't have a tongue scraper, you can absolutely use the back of your toothbrush head, which is often designed with small ridges for cleaning the tongue. Perform the same movements as when using a tongue scraper, but remember to be gentler to avoid damaging the taste buds. The best time to clean your tongue is in the morning after waking up and in the evening before going to bed, after you have finished brushing your teeth. It only takes less than 3 minutes each day, but the benefits that tongue cleaning brings are enormous. Many people, after starting the habit of cleaning their tongue, have noticed a clear difference. Their sense of taste becomes more sensitive, helping them fully appreciate the flavors of food. Their breath also becomes fresher and more confident. More importantly, their oral health has also improved significantly, reducing the risk of common diseases. Remember, a radiant smile comes not only from bright white teeth but also from a healthy overall oral cavity. Don't forget your tongue on your journey to oral health care. Make tongue cleaning a daily habit to enjoy the wonderful benefits it brings. A clean tongue will not only help you feel more confident in communication, but also contribute to improving your quality of life. Don't forget the foundation of health, the importance of foot care for seniors. As we age, our health tends to decline, and maintaining a healthy body becomes a top priority. While we often focus on parts like the cardiovascular system, brain, or digestive system, one part that silently endures all the body's pressure is often forgotten: our feet. Especially for seniors, proper foot care is not just a matter of personal hygiene but also plays a key role in maintaining blood circulation, ensuring flexible mobility, and preventing the risk of dangerous infections. Imagine your feet as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is solid, the house will stand firm against all storms. Similarly, healthy feet will help our bodies maintain good balance, move easily, and feel more confident in daily life. The structure of the foot is extremely complex, including 26 bones, 33 joints, and over 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments. All these parts work together harmoniously to support the entire body weight and perform complex movements. However, over time, the feet of seniors often face many health problems. Poor blood circulation is one of the most common issues, and it often manifests clearly in the feet with symptoms such as swelling, cold toes, or changes in skin color. This can be a warning sign of other underlying conditions. In addition, the skin on the feet also becomes thinner and more vulnerable, increasing the risk of infection, especially when not properly cleaned. Reduced mobility is also a major concern for seniors. Sore, uncomfortable feet can make walking difficult, limiting daily activities and negatively impacting quality of life. More dangerously, foot problems can lead to loss of balance and increase the risk of falls, one of the leading causes of serious injury in older adults. So, how do you take care of your feet properly, especially for seniors? Here are the important steps you need to take every day. Wash your feet thoroughly. Take time to wash your feet every day with warm, not too hot, water and mild soap. Use a soft cloth or bath sponge to gently clean the entire foot, paying special attention to the spaces between the toes. This is an ideal place for bacteria and fungi to grow if not kept clean. Dry completely. After washing, use a soft, clean towel to dry your feet carefully, especially between the toes. Keeping the spaces between your toes dry is crucial to prevent the growth of fungi and bacteria that cause infection. Apply moisturizer. After drying, apply a thin layer of moisturizer all over the surface of your feet, except between the toes. Moisturizer helps keep the skin on your feet soft, preventing dryness and cracking, thereby reducing the risk of infection. Monitor for unusual signs. Regularly check your feet for early signs of abnormalities such as cuts, scrapes, blisters, swelling, changes in skin color, or any uncomfortable pain. If you notice any worrying signs, don't hesitate to consult your doctor or healthcare professional for advice and timely treatment. Proper foot care only takes a few minutes each day, but the benefits it brings to the health and quality of life of seniors are enormous. Make this a daily habit to keep your feet healthy, helping you feel confident and comfortable in all activities. Don't forget this important foundation of your health. The armpit, the silent filter that needs proper attention. We often focus on keeping our bodies smelling fresh by using deodorants in the armpit area. However, few people know that the armpit is not just a patch of skin under the arm but also plays a vital role in the body's lymphatic system, a complex network that helps filter toxins and fight infection. Taking care of this area properly not only helps us feel more confident with our body odor, but also contributes to protecting our overall health. The lymphatic system is like the body's drainage system, helping to transport waste, bacteria, and viruses out of tissues. The armpit area is where many large lymph nodes are concentrated, acting as important checkpoints in this process. When sweat, bacteria, and skin care products accumulate in the armpit area without being properly cleaned, it can cause blockages, slowing down the detoxification process of the lymphatic system. This not only leads to irritation and rashes but can also affect blood circulation and weaken the body's immune function. Especially for seniors, the skin becomes thinner and more sensitive, easily irritated by sweat, bacteria, and chemicals found in deodorants or soaps. If the armpit area is not carefully cared for, problems such as rashes, clogged pores, and even swollen lymph nodes can appear, which are signs that the body's natural detoxification system is having problems. So, how do you take care of your armpits properly? In fact, just a little attention and small changes in your daily habits can bring surprising results. Step 1. Clean gently. When showering, take the time to gently clean your armpits with a soft cloth or bath sponge. Use circular motions to remove dirt, sweat, and product buildup on the skin. Remember to lift your arm and clean in all directions, from top to bottom, from side to side, and in a circular motion, as if you were polishing a fragile piece of glass. It's important to clean thoroughly but still ensure gentleness to avoid irritating the skin. Step 2. Choose suitable products. Prioritize using mild soaps that do not contain strong fragrances or harsh detergents that can dry out and irritate the skin. If you have sensitive skin, look for products specifically designed for this skin type. Step 3. Rinse completely. After cleaning, rinse the armpit area thoroughly with clean water to ensure that no soap residue remains. Soap residue can cause dry and itchy skin, increasing the risk of irritation. Step 4. Dry gently. After showering, use a soft towel to pat the armpit area dry gently, avoiding vigorous rubbing. Leaving moisture in the armpit area can create favorable conditions for bacteria to grow. Step 5. Let the skin breathe. Before using deodorant, allow the armpit area to air dry naturally for a few minutes. This small step helps prevent irritation and allows the deodorant to work more effectively. An interesting fact to know is that the armpit area contains more than 20 lymph nodes, which play an important role in filtering toxins and fighting infection. Therefore, proper armpit hygiene is not just about controlling body odor, but also a way to support your immune system. After just 1 week of paying more attention to armpit hygiene, you may notice surprising positive changes. The skin becomes smoother, irritation is significantly reduced, and even before using deodorant, you may notice a decrease in body odor. This is because when the armpit area is cleaned properly, bacteria will not have the opportunity to grow strongly. Spend a little more time each day taking care of your armpits. This is a simple habit but brings great benefits to your skin, circulatory system, and even your overall health. Don't overlook this silent but extremely important filter of your body. The respiratory gateway that needs care. Secrets to proper nasal hygiene for a healthy life. We breathe automatically, almost without thinking. But have you ever stopped and wondered if you are really breathing correctly and if you are taking the best care of your respiratory gateway? The nose, the body's natural air filter, is often overlooked in our daily hygiene routine. However, cleaning your nose regularly, especially in the context of environmental pollution and erratic weather changes, plays a vital role in protecting respiratory health and improving quality of life. The nose is like a sophisticated air purifier for the body. Every day, we inhale thousands of liters of air, and the nose is responsible for filtering out dust, allergens such as pollen and pet dander, and even harmful bacteria before they penetrate deep into the respiratory system. If not cleaned regularly, these waste products will accumulate inside the nasal cavity, causing a series of uncomfortable problems. A dirty nose can lead to persistent nasal congestion, constant sneezing, a heavy feeling in the sinus area, and even difficulty sleeping. For people with allergies, not cleaning the nose can worsen symptoms such as runny nose, itchy nose, and incessant sneezing. Over time, this condition can affect quality of life, causing fatigue and discomfort. So, how do you clean your nose properly and effectively? Fortunately, there are many simple methods that you can easily do at home. Nasal rinse with saline solution. This is one of the most popular and safest methods for cleaning the nose. You can use pre-made bottled saline solution available at pharmacies or make your own diluted saline solution at home, with a ratio of about 1/4 teaspoon of fine salt to 250 milliliters of warm, boiled, and cooled water. You can use a specialized nasal rinse bottle or simply gently sniff the saline solution into each nostril. Using a neti pot. A neti pot is a specially shaped device designed to pour saline solution into one nostril and let it drain out the other, helping to deeply cleanse mucus and debris from the nasal cavity and sinuses. Many people feel their nose is much clearer and easier to breathe after using a neti pot. Nasal spray. Saline nasal sprays are also a convenient option for moisturizing and gently cleaning the nasal cavity, especially when you feel dry or slightly congested. Blowing your nose correctly. Many people have the habit of blowing both nostrils at the same time, but in fact, this method can push mucus back into the sinuses, causing pressure and discomfort. The best way is to gently close one nostril and blow the other, then switch sides. Use a soft tissue and wash your hands thoroughly after blowing your nose to avoid spreading bacteria. Steam inhalation. Warm steam helps to thin mucus and open up the airways. You can take advantage of the steam from the shower when bathing or steam your face by leaning over a bowl of hot water and covering your head with a towel. Adding a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint can further soothe and clear the airways. Moisturizing the nose. Especially in winter or when the weather is dry, the nasal mucosa can become dry and irritated. A little natural oil like coconut oil or vitamin E oil can help moisturize the nasal cavity, bringing more comfort. Just use a clean finger or cotton swab to apply a small amount of oil gently inside the nostrils. After just a few days of implementing these simple nasal hygiene measures, you will feel a clear difference. You will breathe easier, sleep better, and reduce headaches and allergy symptoms. Remember that a healthy nose not only helps you breathe deeper but is also a shield, protecting your respiratory system from pathogens. Take a little time each day to care for this important gateway of your body. The secret of naval hygiene, a small point with a big impact on health. Among the countless daily personal hygiene habits, perhaps the navel is the place we pay the least attention to. It's simply a small indentation on the abdomen, often not catching our eye. But did you know that this tiny part can affect your health more than you imagine? The navel, though small, is one of the most easily overlooked areas in daily hygiene and also one of the dirtiest places on our bodies. Researchers have shown that the navel can be home to dozens of different types of bacteria. The warm and humid environment inside the navel provides ideal conditions for bacteria to grow and multiply. This can lead to the accumulation of bacteria, causing unpleasant odors and even infections if not properly cleaned. Imagine the navel as a small pocket on your clothes. Over time, lint, sweat, dead skin cells, and even soap residue can accumulate there without you even knowing it. This buildup can cause irritation, create an unpleasant musty odor, or lead to minor infections. This issue becomes even more important as we age. The skin of older adults undergoes certain changes. The immune system also weakens, and the ability to resist the growth of bacteria is no longer as strong as before. Therefore, maintaining a clean navel area is a necessary factor in protecting the health of seniors. So, how do you keep your navel clean and healthy? The good news is that this is very quick, easy, and doesn't require any special products. Just a few simple steps during your daily shower can make a big difference. Step 1. Clean gently. When showering, use warm water and a soft cloth to gently clean inside the navel. You can use your index finger, placed under the cloth, to gently reach into the folds inside the navel. Imagine you are washing a small teacup. No need to scrub hard, just gentle movements are enough. Absolutely do not use sharp objects to try to clean deep inside the navel, as this can cause injury and create conditions for bacteria to enter. Step 2. Pay attention to deep navels. For people with deep navels, a small tip is to lean forward slightly while cleaning. This helps the water drain out easily instead of getting trapped inside. Leaving water trapped in the navel for too long will create an ideal moist environment for bacteria and even fungi to grow. Step 3. Dry thoroughly. After showering, use a soft, clean towel to dry the navel area completely. Similar to drying dishes, if you leave moisture in dark places, uninvited guests will start to multiply. Step 4. Add a deep cleaning step. Optional if you want to clean more thoroughly, you can use a cotton swab dipped in warm water or mild soap to gently wipe inside the navel. Then, use another dry cotton swab to absorb any remaining moisture. In addition to maintaining hygiene, paying attention to the navel area also brings other unexpected benefits. Many people have noticed that after improving their navel hygiene habits, unexplained unpleasant body odors have disappeared, and the skin around the abdomen has also become healthier. However, you should also note that if you notice any unusual signs in the navel area such as persistent redness, abnormal discharge, itching, or pain, do not ignore it. Sometimes, seemingly simple hygiene problems can be a sign of a health condition that needs to be examined and treated promptly. In particular, people with diabetes or weakened immune systems need to be very careful, as minor infections can progress quickly and become more serious in these individuals. One little-known fact is that navel hygiene is also very important for people with navel piercings. Many people think that if the piercing has healed, it no longer needs care, but in reality, the skin around the piercing can still accumulate bacteria, dead cells, and sweat, causing odor or irritation. If you have a navel piercing, gently clean the area daily and make sure to dry it completely. Add a few seconds to your daily shower routine to take care of your navel. A small action but one that can bring great benefits to your health and comfort. Don't forget this important, small point on your body.